What did you feel?
I'm feeling like a big bubble of fluid. They said they think it's about 3 months, so it's enough to have fluid build up, but not enough to be able to feel the fetus in there anymore.
Okay.
She's the one we re-tagged.
Did you see this one is wrong?
What?
There. You turned it.
Derek! Good job.
Cool.
Surface area on their toes is much bigger than other animals of their size. Okay, so this is pretty much as big as an adult roan, but she's 150 kilograms smaller than a big roan. So I don't know if it's them adapting, distributing weight on the soft sand, maybe from both sinking into the sand, but also from walking on hot sand, having a bigger surface areas of all the big areas. They've got very interesting kidneys of adaptive loops and belonging of a lot.